don't usually get that severe weather change like you guys get. Not around the Bay Area. I mean, it snowed 2 or 3 or 4 times in my entire lifetime that I remember. Because, I mean, we just don't get it. But we have to worry about something else. They call them earthquakes. Catch you later. Rusty Tin Man, Stacey Adams in San Francisco is clear and gone. Caused a lot of havoc, that's for sure. But I just lowered my antenna and nested it so I didn't have to worry about all of that. But, yeah, it caused a lot of trouble for a lot of people. Yeah, the only thing about San Francisco is it can be a little expensive if you don't know where to go. And then also, you know, if you don't like the social climate, it can be a little bit, but I grew up in it, so it doesn't bother me one way or the other. But a lot of people come out and they just don't like the social, if they have to live out here, they don't like the social climate. But like I say, I'm from here, so it doesn't bother me. They're going, hey, siempre está prendido. Son un Brita 19. Y no le he puesto una antena. Tiene una antena de imán que está ahí, no he tenido manera de... Roger that. Catch you later. I'm going to do the same. My station out in San Fran is 106. Y en cuanto al otro, pues sí, fíjate que sí trabaja bien. No sé, nunca me he escuchado, ¿no? Pero los reportes no se distorsiona la voz. Se mantiene así clara.
I-91 Mobile. I-91 Mobile. You need blowing smoke up here in Boise, Idaho. Bugger bye.
Los 4 transistores que trae. I think somebody asked if they had any conditions on the west side. I didn't get a 28, but I'm going to try to represent the west side, certainly my portion of it. Stacey Adams standing in front of this Golden Gate Bridge, and I'm on the mail. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's what you said. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Roger?
No, ahí es Palomar, ¿no?
No, es el radio normal.
Pregúntale al gabacho a ver si soy.
Es el Palomar, 450. Well, I'm going to tell you what, it's just rough out here right now. It's hard to pull anybody out, but I think I heard Big Al. I'm not sure if he's talking to me or not, but I'm not saying that I heard him. I heard somebody say if it isn't broke, don't fix it, but it's just hard pulling anybody out of this. Stacey Adams.